Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be giving you something extremely useful. Every once in a while, all of us wants to have a passport size photo, and many of us do get this regret that this could have been improved and this could have been better. And many of us do tries it in Adobe Photoshop, but I can give you an extremely easy and quick way to get a perfect and professional looking clean photo. You could print it out, or you could just simply upload it at some government portal, wherever you want to use it. It's going to be extremely handy. So without further ado, let's get into it. I have this passport photo maker software opened, and it's from AMS Software. Very useful software. You could see that I have already opened this portrait. So the first thing I want to make sure is that I want to go under the settings, main settings, and here automatic facial features detection. I want to make sure that this has been not checked, because by default it is checked, so you want to remove the check and save it. That's it. And now I want to select the country. So this is one of the best part of this software, because you don't need to dig deeper for that which country has what standard for visa or for making a passport or making a driver's license. So you just need to write down the name of the country, and bingo, there you have it. So underneath you could see that there are lots of other options to make it even more precise, but I don't think that there will be much more of a difference, because you could see that 35 by 45 millimeter, every single one of them is pretty much the same. So in this case, I'm gonna select the passport and click on next. Now in the eye, I want to make sure that I would go precisely in the center of the retina. I'm not gonna go. Not gonna make extremely precise work, so that it would save some time. But the main thing is that you would know that how you do it till the end in a quick manner. So here it is. So you see that the photo has been cropped automatically. So it doesn't need any further rotations. It is perfect. So now I want to select the absolute chin, the end of the chin, the very edge here, and pretty top. I could leave like 1 millimeter hairs as they are, and yeah, okay. So now I'm gonna be going next, and now you could see that right, left, top, bottom, from all four angles, it's absolutely perfect. So what you could do is you could do something else too. Here you could see that this line is basically for the nose, and you would need to make sure that it is absolutely the line, the whole line, not just the nose. I mean, you could see the very center of both of these two eyes, or the eyebrows, or the lips. So that you can drag it to left a little bit or to right to make it more precise. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this, or yeah, it's from every angle it looks good. So I'm gonna go and click on next, and that's pretty much it. So I want to save photo to files. That is what I want to do. Okay. I want to make sure that I would pick the maximum DPI, and here I'm gonna be making a simple trick, 9999, because I don't care about how big this would be in terms of size. And that's pretty much it, because this is from the old 103 kilobytes. That's from the old settings. So the next time when I'm going to be doing it, your new settings will come into the effect. And that's pretty much it. You just save the file and you open the file, and that's pretty much it. Wasn't that easy? And I was using many softwares in the past for this purpose, and this is by far the best option out there. And I hope this tutorial would really help a lot of you out there who would want to have such pictures in their on their records for safekeeping for the next 6 months at least. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please share your comments if you have some other troubles, or if you have anything in your mind, any of your projects that I could be useful, could be making useful tutorials. I would gladly do it. Thanks everyone for watching. Till the next video. Bye for now.